Welcome back to my channel, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here. It was pretty easy to do and I love how it came out. I'm going to go ahead and start off with my Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. And I did prime my eyelids already. I used the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer and I put that all over my lid and then I let it dry down and then I started doing my eye makeup. And first, I'm going to go ahead and start off with my M573 brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip this into the shade called Peaches and Cream. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm gonna put it all over my lid and up to my eyebrow like I do with all my transition shades. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the color that's next to it, which is called Georgia, and I'm gonna be using this in my crease just to start giving the eye look a little bit of color. And then after that, I'm gonna be grabbing the shade called Pure, and I'm going to be applying this with my R39 by Morphe, and I'm going to be applying this to my crease to start deepening it up a little bit. And I like this brush because it really keeps the eyeshadow in the crease and it won't bring it down, so it really keeps it really precise since I only want this in my crease. Now I'm going to grab the same brush I used before and I'm just going to blend that crease out because it was looking a little bit harsh, but I did go in one more time with the same color just to bring back the shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the shade called Summer Yum, which is next to that, and I'm going to be packing it with the same brush, but I'm going to be using the flat side of the brush and just packing that on the outer V of the eye, but slowly bringing it to the rest of the crease just to blend the crease out with that shade that I'm packing on the outer V. Now I'm gonna grab a clean brush. This is one of my Tarte brushes, and I'm just gonna be start to blend that out just because it was looking a little bit harsh. Now I'm gonna be grabbing a flat brush. This is the M421 by Morphe, and I'm gonna be cutting my crease, and I'm gonna be using my Born This Way concealer by Too Faced, and I'm only going to cut 2/3 of the crease just because I do want to keep the outer V of the lid smoked out, so that's what I am going to do. Then I'm going to grab another flat brush. This is by Crown, and I'm going to be dipping that one into the shade called Berlini, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm going to put that on the part of the lid that I cut. Now I'm grabbing the same brush in that same Summer Yum shade, and I'm going to just re-smoke out the outer V of the lid just to really blend out the shimmer eyeshadow in that brown shade. Now I'm grabbing my M321 by Morphe. This is a pointed brush, and I'm going to be using this to redefine the crease. So I'm going to dip it into that shade called Pure again, and I'm just slowly putting it on the crease. You don't want to go too fast because then you're just going to mess up the cut crease and you're going to bring down that brown shade to the shimmer shade. Now I'm going to get the same brush that I was using first, and I'm just going to blend that out. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Fine Line Long Lasting Fine Tip Liquid Eyeliner by LA Girl. This was my first time using this eyeliner, and I really liked it. It kept the eyeliner really precise and really sharp, and this was pretty affordable. I don't remember how much it was, but I do know it was less than $5. And then I also like how it dried down matte. And then for eyelashes, I'm going to be using my Icon lashes in the style Bugatti. This is one of my favorite pairs. They're just so big and pretty, and I do have a discount code, so you know. And then on top of the shimmer shade, I decided to apply some glitter, and I'm going to be applying my NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in the shade Crystal Silk. And I think this is what really made the eye color really pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my bottom lash, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades called Pure and Summer Yum, which are the two that I added to my crease, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lower lash line. And then in my waterline, I'm going to be using my Sex Kitten eyeliner by Tarte, and I'm going to put that in my waterline, but I'm also going to use it to tightline. I think when you tightline, it just makes the eyelashes and the eye makeup look way more prettier. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I'm going to be applying it on my lower lashes, and I'm also going to use it to blend out my fake lashes with my real eyelashes. Then I'm going to go ahead and do some contouring. I'm going to be using my Park Ave Princess Chisel Palette by Tarte, and I'm going to be using the shade called Princess Cut, and I'm just going to do a little bit of light contouring using my R14 by Morphe. And I like this brush to contour. It keeps it really precise and really clean. And then I'm also going to do some light contouring on my nose, and I forgot to show you guys the brush, but this is a brush from Forma Beauty. It doesn't have a number, I believe, but it is really good for contouring the nose. And then for blush, I'm going to be going into Morphe's new 8C palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this blush called Driven, and I'm going to be applying that with my Morphe brush number E4. And then I'm going to be going into my Spotlight highlighting palette by BlancaEstelaBeauty Cosmetics, and I'm going to be grabbing these two shades right here and using my brush number R36. I'm going to be using this to highlight my face. Then I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here, and I'm going to be using my E36 by Morphe. I'm going to be using this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And then to outline my lips, I'm going to be using Ulta Beauty's lip liner pencil in the shade Bitter Sweet. And then I'm going to be applying my Wet n Wild Mega Last Catsuit in the shade Rebel Rose all over my lips. And I did feel like this shade was too light and too nude for this look, so I did go over it on top with Ulta Beauty's matte lip cream in the shade Courageous. And this really made it a little bit darker, and I thought it went way better than with just the first lipstick. And then of course I wanted it to be glossy, so I went ahead and I applied e.l.f.'s new lip plumping gloss in the shade Champagne Glam, and I really think this is what really made the lips pop. It made them look really good. And okay guys, this is the final look, and I love how this look came out. It looks really pretty. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and until next time, bye guys.